In this video, I will show how to uninstall all default installed games from Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's get started. At first, open new terminal and use this command. Hit enter. Now enter the password for the user. Now type Y to continue. Okay, now copy this command and paste here to remove all the dependencies for these games from Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Now search for default game. That's it. Default games removed from Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.